Good morning, dear children. Open your English book. Come on the page number 29. Today we are going to learn in grammar uses some of the conversation regarding the ages, talking about age. When we talk about age, we use certain expressions or certain words or sentence. Let's see. To talk about a person's age, we use the kind of expressions highlighted in the sentence below. These are the some expressions. At the age of 6, we went missing. I am 9 years old. She is 40. These three sentences are about ages. Here, in the sentence, at preposition is used at the age of 6. It is not on or in the age. Which preposition is used here? At the age of 6. At 14, at preposition is used. If you use in 14, on 14, this is a wrong uses of prepositions along with the expression regarding ages. Okay. Similarly, age expressions can be used to talk about someone's age in the past and in the present or in the future. Here are some examples given. These are sentences which are given in a past, present and a future. The first sentence is in the past. She joined school at the age of 6. Here, how do we come to know that this sentence is in a past tense? Because of this verb. This joined, this is the verb in past tense. That's why this sentence is in a past tense. She joined school at the age of 6. In present tense, how can we say children join school at the age of 6? And in future, the same sentence can be said as her children will join school at the age of 6. Another examples. Satish was 12 in 2008. We can omit this years old. We can say only Satish was 12 in 2008. By telling number, we can say the age of that person. We shouldn't say Satish was 12 years old in 2008. We can skip these two words and only say Satish was 12 in 2008. This was verb tells us that this sentence is in a past tense. And in present tense, Satish is 14 now. So now word and this is verb tells us that this sentence is in a present tense. Satish is 14 years old now. We need not to say years old here. We can skip these words and only say Satish is 14 now. Okay. In future tense, the sentence will be like this. Satish will be 16 in 2012. Okay. C1 question. Use correct age expressions to fill in the blanks in the following sentences. The age you should talk about is given in brackets. Here, the number of age is given in a bracket. Let's read. The prince went to live with his uncle at the age of 4. Should use at preposition before the age of 4. Then Michael Jackson was 10 years old when he first performed on stage. Age is given 10 here. So how we have to write? Was 10 years old. You can keep this years old in a bracket also. Need not to say. The third sentence, next year I will be 11 years old. If you write years old, then it's also okay. And if you do not write and skip it, then it's also okay. Their elder daughter is 17 and their younger daughter 13. Children below 8 cannot join the team. Now about a simple past tense. Here are some sentences given which are in the simple past tense. Look at the following sentences from the story of Thomas Edison. The first sentence is, young Al was a fragile child. Edison worked as a newsboy. Here was verb tells us that the sentence is in a past tense. He kept his papers in the smoking compartment. Kept is a past form of a keep. Worked is a past form of a work verb. So with the help of a verb, we can understand this given sentence is in a past tense. A stick of phosphorus fell to the floor. Here fell verb is in a past tense. Denote that the sentence is in a past tense. Edison saved a child from being hit by a boxcar. The station gent taught him telegraphy. If in the sentence there are was and where, these are the form of a be in past tense form of a be. Was and where, these are the verb, and the full verb in a past tense, then that sentence is in a known as a in a simple past tense. All things this sentence talk about happen in the past. Whatever happened yesterday, that we say that is here in a past tense. We use a simple past tense to talk about things that happen in the past and are finished. Simple past tense is used to tell stories because stories are usually about things that happen in the past. Therefore, we tell story in a past tense. Here on the next page, on page number 31, explanation of this verb is given. Just I told you that how can we recognize the given sentence is in a simple past tense. This verb helps us to recognize the tense of the sentence. So with the help of this verb, we can understand whether the sentence is in a past tense or a future tense, or in which tense it is. So here I told you worked, kept, fell, saved, taught. These are the past tense forms. And that explanation here also given in this table. Okay, read this table and try to understand it more. Okay, now how to make a negative sentence of a past tense, simple in a simple past tense. To make negative sentences in simple past, we use did not or didn't. Didn't is the short form of a did not with the root form of the verb. Now Edison did not work as a clerk. Here how is the sentence construction of a, it is first we should write a subject plus did not and then verb and then object or remaining words of the sentence. Here you can say Edison is a subject. Subject means karta, doer of the action. Then we should write a did not. This did not will come and plus verb. Okay, and then remaining words. This is the sentence constructions of negative sentence in simple past tense. He did not keep his equipment in the kitchen. Another sentence. Here he is a subject. Then we should write a did not, negative form. Then keep is a verb, main verb or full verb you can say, and the remaining sentences. The conductor did not allow Edison to continue his experiment. The conductor is a doer of the action, subject. Then did not, when we write did not, we should not write a past form of a verb. The verb, we should write a main verb here. Okay, allow. Here we should not write ed, or we should not write a past form of a keep, because already we here wrote did. Did is the past form of a do. So we should not write again the past form of a verb. Okay, so write a allow word after writing did not and the remaining words. Tick the sentence that are in the simple past tense. Cross the ones that are not. Here I made Divya in the library. This is a met is a past form of a past tense form of a meet word. Meet. So this sentence is in a simple past tense. So tick this sentence. India will play in Australia next year. Here will. This will verb tells us that this sentence is in a future tense. Then the children went to their uncle's house last weekend. Here went is a past form of a go verb. So this is a past tense. This sentence is in a simple past tense. So tick this sentence. I get up at 6 o'clock every day. Here, this sentence is in a simple present tense. Get up. Get up. This get verb tells us that this is in a simple present tense. And the fifth one, the teacher did not ask us to write in the textbook. Here did not ask. With this help of this verb we can understand this sentence is a negative sentence in simple past tense. So tick this. So here are out of 5 there are 3 sentences in simple past tense. Okay. Now question C3, complete the following story using the past tense form of the verbs in brackets. Florence Nightingale. What is the past form of a be? Past form of a be is was. So write a was here. Was born in 1820. She like, past form of a like is liked. Write D. Liked books. She always helped others. She decided. Write ed. D to the decide to make a past form of this verb, to become a nurse and became successful in that profession. During a war, Florence ran. Past form of run is ran. Write a ran here. Florence ran a hospital for soldiers. At first, the hospital, past form of a be was Vilka. At first, the hospital was very dirty. The soldier got very sick there. She worked hard to keep them from dying. She cleaned the place at night. She carried a lamp to light her way as she worked. Here, past form of, to do the past form of a verb carry, we should cut this y. Instead of y, write a I and then ed. She became known as the lady with the lamps. She saved thousands of lives. In this way, we completed the story in past tense. We changed the given verb into past form. We wrote the past form of the given verb and completed the story. You also complete the story, read the story and write it in your English notebook.